Hey guys, the meet is canceled tomorrow. Several of you guys have been texting me and asking me about stuff. They did cancel the meet for tomorrow because the course is wet and muddy, and where they've just made the course, they're worried that it will be dangerous. So they have postponed it to next month. I don't know that we're going to get to go next month because it would be 5 days before our conference meet, and so we probably will not go to this meet due to the fact that they have canceled the meet and they have canceled some of the other meets this year on the Virginia side. We would like to go ahead and do a time trial tomorrow just because you guys have been working so hard and we don't want to miss the workout. So you don't have to get up at 5 o'clock tomorrow, but we are still going to have a time trial at Rooster Front tomorrow morning. So if you can meet us at Rooster Front at 9 a.m., we're just going to do a time trial and we'll be done by 10:30. So hopefully we will see you in the morning. So if you have any questions, let me know. Also, I will be sending out the schedule for the next couple of weeks. So the schedule for next week and then over fall break as well. Hope you guys have a happy Friday and hope to see you in the morning at 9 a.m. Rooster Front.